In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello and Notion for real-time sync, centralized info, reporting, and automation. This integration brings together Trello's visual, Kanban-style project management with Notion's flexible documentation and databases, so your team can plan, track, and document in one connected system. The big idea is simple: keep tasks and updates in sync, view everything from one place, and automate the busy work. First, real-time synchronization. The goal here is to keep Trello cards and Notion databases aligned automatically. When a card name, due date, assignee, comment, or attachment changes in Trello, that update is reflected in Notion, and vice versa if you choose a two-way setup. To make this work smoothly, map Trello fields to the right Notion properties, confirm date formats and time zones, and test on a small board before expanding. Clear field names and consistent labels make syncing more reliable, especially for multi-selects like tags or status. Next, centralized project information. With the connection in place, you can view Trello activity directly inside your Notion workspace. That means less switching between apps and fewer missed updates. Keep permissions tidy so the right people see the right projects, and decide whether you want read-only visibility in Notion or the ability to update from either side. This single source of truth makes it easier to onboard teammates and keep context together. For enhanced reporting, bring synced Trello data into Notion and build dashboards that answer real questions. Use filters to show work due this week, group by assignee or priority, and add roll-ups to summarize by project or status. You can create lightweight, real-time reports without exporting spreadsheets, and you can keep historic data for trend tracking by archiving older cards into a separate view. Now, workflow automation. Services like Zapier or ActivePieces can trigger actions between Trello and Notion, such as creating a Notion database item when a Trello card is created, or updating a card when a Notion property changes. Use conditions to avoid duplicates, include only the fields you need, and add error handling so you're notified if something fails. Start with a single trigger and expand as your process becomes clearer. Finally, flexibility. Trello keeps your work moving visually, while Notion holds the documentation, wikis, meeting notes, and specs that surround every task. Link related pages to relevant cards and standardize naming so everything stays connected. The result is a streamlined, synchronized workflow that keeps your team in sync and your information centralized.